Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Digital Wallet. First, download the PayPal app from your App Store or navigate to their website. Once installed, you'll need to create a new account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Next, securely link a funding source like your bank account, a debit card, or a credit card. This step is crucial for adding and withdrawing funds. Finally, complete any identity verification steps to ensure full access to all features and higher transaction limits, making your experience seamless and secure. Sending and receiving money with PayPal is incredibly straightforward. To send funds, simply enter the recipient's email or phone number, the amount, and a brief note. They'll receive it almost instantly. If you need to request money, you can easily send an invoice or a direct request. While sending money to friends and family from your PayPal balance or linked bank account is usually free, be aware that small fees, often around 2.9% plus 30 cents, may apply for credit card payments or international transfers. PayPal makes online shopping incredibly convenient and secure. When checking out at your favorite online stores, simply select PayPal as your payment method. You'll be redirected to log in and confirm your purchase, often with just one click. A significant advantage is PayPal's buyer protection, which covers eligible purchases if an item doesn't arrive or isn't as described. Additionally, explore options like Pay in 4, allowing you to split purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks, making larger buys more manageable. Protecting your PayPal account is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Be extremely vigilant against phishing scams. PayPal will never ask for your password via email. Always check the sender's email address and look for official PayPal domains. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your transaction history. If you spot any unauthorized activity, report it immediately to PayPal's support team for prompt investigation and resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.